Potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. I can never get enough of potatoes because they are very versatile and so delicious. So today I'll be showing you how to make some crispy potato slices that are going to turn out amazing, flavorful, and so good. You're going to pick your clean potatoes and place on your chopping board. Then next you're going to be slicing into long rings, just like this. You'll notice that the water is cloudy. That is the starch in the potatoes. So you're going to wash several times until the water runs clear. And this is the shape that I'm going for. Once your potatoes are nice and clean, you're going to pick two bowls, one for the wet ingredients and another for the dry ingredients. To my bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup all-purpose flour, half a cup cornstarch. Add in garlic powder and paprika powder for seasoning, cayenne powder, which is going to add a little bit of spiciness to the potatoes, salt. Use a fork and mix in the dry ingredients until fully combined. Then you're going to place aside. Pick your bowl for your wet ingredients and crack in 1 large egg. Add in some milk. Whisk in your eggs and milk until fully combined, and now it's time to cut our potatoes so that we can fry. You're going to pick your potato and place in the egg mixture. Cut with the egg mixture and drop into your flour. Cut with flour. Shake off the excess and place on a plate. Make sure all the sides are fully coated, and at this point you're going to place a frying pan over medium flame with cooking oil enough to deep fry your potatoes. The paprika is going to give the potatoes a very nice reddish color, while the garlic powder is going to add in lots of flavor to the potatoes. Pick a few more, drop into the egg mixture, making sure all the sides are fully coated. Drop into the dry ingredients. And after a minute, we're going to check if the cooking oil is ready by inserting a skewer. Once you notice small bubbling, the oil is ready. So now I'm going to pick my already coated potatoes and drop into the cooking oil carefully, tapping out the excess flour. And then I'll be frying for around 2 minutes until the potatoes are crispy. Avoid overcrowding because the temperature of the oil is going to drop and then you're going to get some soggy potatoes. I'm going to very fast, I'm going to cut my second round. If you don't have cornstarch, no worries, you can simply use all-purpose flour to make your potatoes. But I bet you won't miss some paprika and garlic powder. So as you're cutting the potatoes, check if the The frying potatoes are perfectly cooking. Mine are just looking so good. After 1 minute, we're going to use a skimmer and toss the potatoes and let them cook for another 1 minute. When ready, you're going to use a skimmer, scoop out, shake off the excess oil and transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towels so that they can drain off the excess oil. Then you're going to add in your next round by carefully placing the potato on the side of the frying pan so that you don't splash oil. And because I want crispy potatoes, I won't be overcrowding. So I'm going to fry the potatoes. And I decided to add in a little bit of rosemary because I love fresh rosemary in my potatoes because they add in so much flavor. So I'm going to pick my chopping board very fast and my knife, slice in 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary, drop in a few potatoes in my egg mixture and drop into the now very flavorful dry ingredients because we added in some fresh rosemary. Use my skimmer and flip the potatoes just to make sure they're frying perfectly. Back to my bowls and finish off coating the rest. And after 2 minutes, this is how my potatoes are looking. I'm going to transfer to the rest. You can sprinkle a little bit of salt. This is a very nice way that you can cook some crispy, delicious, flavorful potatoes for your family or for your guests. And every mouthful is going to be so delicious. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.